If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here to this short-term position I have going on the Euro USD pair here for the 5-minute contracts. As you can see, a well-established in the money position here. Looking at a profit of just around $44 in the short term after fees, about $40 profit just over a 5-minute span. Let me take you over to the chart real quick and show you exactly what led me to get into this position here, and then we will watch the play out. The move is perfectly calculated off of this right here. So let me put a little rectangle here to hone in on the area of interest. We started to see this test of the center Bollinger Band here with a bullish volume divergence. So let me go ahead and highlight that here for you. For the trend that was continuing up in the short term, mind you, the overall trend is a downtrend. But here in the short term, we are seeing a test to the center Bollinger Band. We're actually seeing another test currently, which I anticipate it being a false breakout to the upside. As the short-term trend was going up, we started to see a decrease in the bullish volume, and we are also well under the 50 for the RSI, indicating to us that this is going to get a pushback from the bearish sentiment overall. Now we are starting to see that bearish pressure step back in, even though we are near our strike here. Just a minute and 14 seconds left. When you have a premier area of confluence like that, it can make for a perfect storm trading scenario where you have multiple technical analysis indicators lining up in your favor, which make them more high quality positions in my experience. You can learn more about how to do this on your own time with the Informed Traders educational package. That would be the top link in the description below. Additionally, we have the shadow trading program where you can get in on positions like this with me over a higher time frame over the 2-hour contracts from Sundays to Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That will be in the description as well. So if that sounds more of your speed, then definitely be sure to check that out. I highly recommend all the resources we offer in the description. Also, if you're brand new to Nadex trading, we have a beginners playlist that we have compiled that was actually made by the Nadex team. They put together beginner videos, and I've just kind of compiled them for you in a playlist on the channel here if you're brand new to everything. 9 seconds remaining here. This was our strike here, 09. 5 seconds remain. Looking like a perfect $40 profit in the short term. Expired. Fantastic, guys. So a fantastic short-term position there. We honed in on a great area of confluence that did end up being a overextension there on the retest of the center Bollinger Band. And as I've stated in other videos, the center Bollinger Band also acts as a temporary resistance and support and as a moving average. When you have all of these indications lining up, you can kind of hone in and pinpoint your positions like a sniper and take your profits. I hope you guys enjoyed this short-term position. Also, as a short recap so far for the shadow trading program this week, we have had on session 1, we had 2 total trades. 1 was a win, 1 was a loss. The loss was actually because the Nadex system was glitching for some reason. Not sure what happened there. But on session 2, we had 0 total trades. There was no good setups for session 2, so we sat out. You have to allow the market to create these perfect conditions for you. You cannot manufacture a trade. You have to let them come to you. Occasionally, I will throw in bonus positions to make up for slow weeks or down weeks, of course. On session 3, that was last night's session, we had a bonus trade throughout the day and we won on that, and then we also won for our regular session as well. So we had 2 wins yesterday. For the week so far, we are at 3 wins and 1 loss, and it's been a great week so far. December has been going great so far, and November was astounding as a month in whole. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the resources in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.